Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change your PSN ID on your PS5 console. It's very simple. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Okay, first go to settings. So here go to user accounts, or directly you can go to, you can select from the home screen. Okay, just press this PS button and then go to your account and then go to profile. Okay, cool. So here go to privacy settings. So more options, and come down to edit your profile, and here you can choose online ID. It is free for the first time. Okay, I need to accept the terms and conditions and then continue. Here we need to log in with our account, so you can use your PS app to scan the code, or you can manually sign in. Okay, you can just simply tap sign in and then provide your password and then give OK. That's it, friends. You can change it first time for free, and if you want to change it, right, you need to pay some amount. Okay, so once you change, right, you can enter the new ID and then give accept. Right now I'm not going to change it because I have the right PSN ID. So once you given right, you can give the confirm. If you don't have the free options, then you need to pay after giving the confirmations. So it will be you can use a credit card or debit card to pay that. But for first time, it will not be asking anything. Just you can give confirmations. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can change your PSN online ID on your PS5 console. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching.